Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss exercise 5B. We are in the first bit. Exercise 5A we completed. Now we enter into the exercise 5B. We are in the first bit. In the first bit, 14 to 16 questions are there. In this session, we are going to finish all the problems. After that, we will enter into the second section. So let us have a discussion. The first question: if magnitude of p bar vector equal to 2, magnitude of q bar vector is 3, that means mod p bar equal to 2, mod q bar equal to 3, and the angle between p bar and q bar is pi by 6. Then find magnitude of, mod of p bar plus q bar whole square, they are asking to calculate. So here we know that the angle between the cross product of two vectors, is defined as p bar cross q bar is equal to mod p bar into mod q bar into sine of angle between p bar and q bar, p bar comma q bar. This is the formula for the cross multiplication of two vectors. So this value we are going to calculate now. So first we are going to do this type of question. They will ask in regularly for 2 marks questions, very short answer type questions. Given or simply given that mod p bar equal to 2, mod q bar equal to 3, and the angle between theta equal to angle between p bar comma q bar equal to pi by 6. This is the first step, we have to write it. After that, we know that, or we have the cross product of two vectors definition, p bar cross q bar equal to mod q p bar into mod q bar into sine of angle between p bar comma q bar. So p bar cross q bar equal to mod p bar, the value is 2, into mod q bar, the value is 3, into sine of angle between p bar and q bar is pi by 6. Pi by 6 means 30 degrees, 180 by 6, 30 degrees. So p bar cross q bar equal to 2 into 3 is 6 into sine 30, which is equal to 6 into sine 30 is 1 by 2. So which is equal to 2 ones are 2 3s are. So p bar cross q bar is equal to 3. Taking mod on both sides, which is equal to 3. Squaring on both sides, so mod p bar cross q bar whole square is equal to mod 3 whole square, which is equal to 9. Therefore, conclusion step, mod p bar cross q bar whole square equal to 9. We will move to the next question now. The next question: if a bar equal to 2i minus j plus k and b bar equal to I minus 3j minus 5k, then find magnitude of a bar cross b bar. See, first a bar cross b bar, how to calculate? If the vectors a bar equal to a1i plus a2j plus a3k and b bar equal to b1i plus b2j plus b3k, then a bar cross b bar can be defined as, in the first row you have to write I bar, j bar, k bar. In the second row, a bar components a1, a2, a3. In the third row, b1, b2, b3. We know that how to expand 3 by 3. Here plus, minus, plus. Like this way you have to expand. So here also by using this formula we are going to do this question. So first step is given vectors. Given vectors. You give the names A bar and B bar. A bar equal to 2i minus j plus k and B bar equal to I minus 3j minus 5k. After that, A bar cross B bar. So I bar, J bar and K bar. A bar components 2, minus 1, 1. B bar components 1, minus 3, minus 5. So here plus, minus, plus. This is very important, dear students. 3 by 3 expanding, determinant of 3 by 3. I bar into minus 1 into minus 5 plus 5 minus 3 into 1 minus of minus 3 plus 3 minus j bar into 2 into minus 5 minus 10 minus 1 into 1 1 plus k bar into 2 into minus 3 minus 6 1 into minus 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1 which is equal to 5 plus 3 is 8 8i minus 10 minus 1 minus 11 minus into minus plus 11j minus 6 plus 1 minus 5 into k minus 5k. This is A bar cross B bar. They are asking to calculate magnitude of the vector. That also we know that if the vector is, if A bar equal to A1i plus A2j plus A3k, then magnitude of A bar, mod A bar equal to square root of A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square. So by using this formula, mod magnitude of A bar cross B bar equal to square root of 8 square plus 11 square plus minus 5 whole square, which is equal to square root of 64 plus 11 square is 121 plus minus 5 whole square is 25. So which is equal to square root of 121 plus 64. So 185 plus 25, which is equal to square root of 210. So here 121, 64 and 25. Therefore, the magnitude of A bar cross B bar is. We'll go to the next question now. The next question. If A bar equal to 2i minus 3j plus k bar and B bar equal to I plus 4j minus 2k, then find A bar plus B bar cross A bar minus B bar. So first what we have to do that? You have to calculate the sum of these two vectors and subtraction of these two vectors. Difference of these two vectors. First step is given vectors. Given vectors. A bar equal to 2i minus 3j plus k and B bar equal to I plus 4j minus 2k. Next step, A bar plus B bar. Let P bar equal to A bar plus B bar, sum of these two vectors. 2i minus 3j plus k plus I plus 4j minus 2k. 2i plus I, 3i minus 3j plus 4j plus j. K minus 2k minus k. this is about the p bar vector. Let the difference of a bar and b bar, you can assume that as q bar. A bar minus b bar equal to 2i minus 3j plus k minus I plus 4j minus 2k, which is equal to 2i minus I minus 3j plus minus 4j minus 7j, k minus of minus 2k, k plus 2k is 3k. This is about q bar. So p bar value we got it and q bar value also we got it. After that they are asking to calculate the cross multiplication of the two vectors. Now a bar plus b bar cross a bar minus b bar, that is equal to p bar cross q bar equal to mod I j k. Here we know that plus minus plus. In the p bar vector 3 1 minus 1, in q bar vector 1 minus 7 3. So now we are expanding. I bar into 1 into 3 is 3 minus 7 into minus 1 plus 7 minus j bar into 3 3s are 9 minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1, so plus 1 plus k bar into 3 into minus 7 minus 21 minus 1, so it is equal to 3 minus 7 is minus 4 minus 4i, 10 into minus j minus 10j, minus 22 into k minus 22k. Therefore a bar plus b bar cross a bar minus b bar equal to, minus you take common 4i, even 2 also if you want you can take out common, plus 10j plus 22k. We'll move to the next question now. The next question, if 4i plus 2p by 3 into j plus pk is parallel to the vector I bar plus 2j bar plus 3k bar, find p. Here we are in the product of vectors now. In the product of vectors, when the two vectors are parallel, the magnitude of a bar cross b bar equal to 0. But if you do that a bar cross b bar for these vectors, it will be very lengthy. So we will go for addition of vectors. In addition of vectors also we discussed two vectors are parallel. Their components are in proportional. I bar coefficients, j bar coefficients, k bar coefficients are in proportional. See here how the answer we are going to do that. Given vectors. One we can assume as a bar, another one is b bar. A bar equal to 4i plus 2p by 3 into j plus pk, and b bar equal to I plus 2j plus 3k. Since a bar is parallel to b bar, whenever two vectors are parallel, their I coefficients are in proportional. So then we have 4 by 1, their I coefficients are in proportional, their j coefficients are in proportional. 2p by 3 divided by 2, p by 3. So 4 by 1 means 4. So 2p by 6, it is equal to p by 3. Anyway, this value also p by 3 only. So that implies equating these two or these two. 4 equal to p by 3. Cross multiplying, p equal to 12. Therefore, the value of p is 12. We'll move to the next question now. The next question. Compute A bar cross B bar plus C bar plus B bar cross C bar plus A bar plus C bar cross A bar plus B bar. They are asking to compute this value. So here first consider A bar cross B bar plus C bar plus B bar cross C bar plus A bar plus C bar cross A bar plus B bar. They are in the cyclic order. If you observe that ABC, after that BCA, after that CAB, they are in cyclic order, which is equal to A bar cross B bar, A bar cross B bar plus A bar cross C bar. Plus come to the second one, B bar cross C bar plus B bar cross A bar plus third one, C bar cross A bar plus C bar cross B bar. A bar cross B bar plus A bar cross C bar plus B bar cross C bar. First three terms we cannot change anything. In the cross product, if you interchange these two vectors, the sign is going to change. Here plus B bar cross A bar is there, no? If you write A bar cross B bar, the sign is going to change. So we can write it as minus of A bar cross B bar. Similarly, if you interchange these two vectors, minus A bar cross C bar. Come to the last one, minus of B bar cross C bar. So now, plus A bar cross B bar, minus A bar cross B bar. Plus A bar cross C bar, minus A bar cross C bar. Plus B bar cross C bar, minus B bar cross C bar. So, ultimately, this value goes to be 0. Therefore, conclusion step. A bar cross B bar plus C bar plus B bar cross C bar plus A bar plus C bar cross A bar minus B bar, plus equal to 0. Come to the next question. We move to the next question. The next question, if P bar equal to Xi plus Yj plus Zk, then find P bar cross K bar whole square. So P bar is there, but what about K bar? K bar means I bar, J bar coefficients are zeros. See how we are going to write it here. Given vectors, given P bar equal to Xi plus Yj plus Zk, and here K bar is there to calculate P bar plus K bar. K bar equal to 0 into I bar plus 0 into J bar plus 1 into K bar. Like this we can write it. After that, P bar cross K bar. Mod determinant I, J, K. P bar vector, their components x, y, z, and K bar components 0, 0, 1, and here plus, minus, plus. So now I bar into y minus 0 minus j bar into x minus 0 plus K bar into 0 minus 0. So now y into I bar plus minus x into j bar. This is P bar cross K bar, but they are asking magnitude. So magnitude of P bar cross K bar equal to square root of I bar coefficient y square, otherwise y whole square, plus minus x whole square, squaring on both sides. So magnitude of p bar cross k bar whole square equal to square root of y square plus x square. A root square cancel, we will get it as x square plus y square. Therefore, magnitude of p bar plus k bar whole square equal to x square plus y square. We will move to the next question now. Here, compute 2j bar cross 3i minus 4k plus I bar plus 2j bar cross k bar. Here, before going to discuss this question, we need to learn some important properties. I bar cross I bar is equal to j bar cross j bar equal to k bar cross k bar equal to 0. Sir, why sir? One vector cross product of same vector. Angle between I bar and I bar is what? 0. Sin 0 is 0. So that is the reason. Suppose if it is another vector I bar cross j bar which is equal to k bar. Suppose if these two will be interchanged, order will be changed, it will becomes, suppose if it is j bar cross I bar, this value is equal to minus k bar, you remember that. Next I j k, it will be in order now. So j bar cross k bar should be equal to I bar. Even j k I is also in order. If it is k bar cross j bar, that is equal to minus I bar. Next, Kij. K bar cross I bar equal to j bar. Ijk, jki, kij. That implies that I bar cross k bar which is equal to minus j bar. You remember these very important things, very important in the coming problem also. I am going to apply these things. Now consider the given question. 2i cross 3i minus 4k plus I plus 2j cross k which is equal to, actual multiplication first you do it, 2i cross 3j minus 2i cross 4k plus I bar cross k bar plus 2j cross k bar. First what we have to do, constant scalars are there now. 2 into 3 6, separately you can write it, 6 into I bar cross j bar minus 2 into 4 minus 8 into I bar cross k bar plus I bar cross k bar plus 2 into j bar cross k bar. Like this you can do that. Order cannot be changed. Now from this information, I bar plus j bar is what? K bar. So 6 into k bar. I bar cross k bar. See here, I bar cross k bar means minus j bar. It is in the order. So minus 8 into minus j bar. I bar cross k bar. It will be reverse again, minus j bar. J bar cross k bar is I bar plus 2 into I bar. So 6k minus into minus is plus 8j minus j plus 2i. Write in the order 2i plus 7j plus 6k. This given vector we simplified as 2i plus 7j plus 6k. We will move to the next question now. Hello dear students, here In the question 2j bar is there, here I have taken 2I bar. So according to this question, this answer is right. Don't think about it is wrong. According to this consideration, it is correct answer. Now I am going to, this is I bar. Considering the seventh problem here, seventh problem. What is that? Compute, that is extra question. 2I, not 2I, 2j, according to this, 2j cross 3I minus 4k plus I into I plus 2j cross k1. This is the question, original question from the textbook. So here, so 2j cross 3I minus 2j cross 4k plus I cross k plus 2j cross k. So 2 3s are 6. J bar cross I bar. So here 2I, 2j minus, here it is j, minus 8 into j bar cross k bar plus I bar cross k bar plus 2 into j bar cross k bar. So which is equal to 6 into j bar cross I bar minus 8 into j bar cross k bar plus 2 into j bar cross k bar. So minus 6 into j bar cross k bar. So these two terms I am taking. Plus I bar cross k bar. Now j bar cross I bar. J bar cross I bar means what? Minus k bar. So 6 into minus k. J bar cross k bar. J bar cross k bar means I bar. So minus 6I. I bar cross k bar. I bar cross k bar. Where it is I bar cross k bar? Minus j. So minus j bar. So according to the order, minus 6I minus j minus 6k. This is the seventh question from the textbook. In previous question, instead of j, I wrote I. But according to this question, this is the right answer. We'll move to the next question now. The next question. Find unit vector perpendicular to both I bar plus j bar plus k bar and 2I bar plus j bar plus 3k bar. Here we are going to use the formula, the unit vector perpendicular to both the vectors. See here, just I am giving the formula, hint indirectly. The unit vector perpendicular to the vectors, perpendicular to the vectors A bar and B bar is plus or minus A bar cross B bar divided by mod A bar cross D bar. This is the formula we are going to apply to get the answer. Sometimes they are asking for 4 marks this question, sometimes they are asking for 2 marks. See here, according to the question, given vectors, here I am assuming that names as one is A bar, another one is B bar. So A bar equal to I bar plus J bar plus K bar and B bar equal to 2I bar plus J bar plus 3K bar. So to get that perpendicular, the unit vector perpendicular to both A bar and B bar means we need to calculate A bar cross B bar as well as the magnitude of the vector. So first I am calculating A bar cross B bar, which is equal to I bar, j bar and k bar. A bar, first vector, A bar components, write it 1, 1, 1 and B bar components 2, 1, 3. We know that how to expand this 3 by 3. Here plus, here minus, here plus. In the previous classes we discussed. So now, I bar into 1 into 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 minus j bar 1 into 3, 3 minus 2 into 1, 3 minus 2 plus k bar into 1 minus 2. So 3 minus 1 is what? 2, 2 into I, 2i. 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 into minus j. 1 minus 2 is minus 1 into k, minus k. So therefore A bar cross B bar value is 2i minus j minus k. This is the cross product of two vectors. Now magnitude also calculate. Magnitude of A bar cross B bar equal to square root of 2 square plus minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 whole square, which is equal to square root of 4 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to root 6. After that, conclusion step. The unit vector perpendicular to both A bar and B bar is plus or minus A bar cross B bar divided by mod A bar cross B bar. So now plus or minus A bar cross B bar, this vector you have to write it 2i minus j minus k divided by root 6. We'll go to the next question. The next question. If theta is the angle between the vectors I bar plus j bar and j bar plus k bar, then find sin theta. So here, if theta is the angle between, B by W is between A bar and B bar, then sin theta can be defined as sin theta equal to A bar cross B bar modulus divided by mod A bar into mod B bar. So to get the sin theta value, we need to calculate the cross product of given two vectors and whose magnitudes also we can calculate. So first, from the given question, given vectors we have to write it. Given vectors. One, I am assuming that A bar equal to I bar plus J bar, and another vector and B bar equal to J bar plus K bar. Now cross product of two vectors, A bar cross B bar, first you have to calculate. So while calculating A bar cross B bar, we know that I, J, K. So A bar vector is here, K bar is not there, 1, 1, 0. Here K bar is not there. In the B vector I is not there, so I is not there means 0, and J bar and K bar values are 1, 1. So next, if you expand this one, you will get I into 1 minus 0 minus j into plus minus plus 1 minus 0 plus k bar into 0 into k bar into 1 minus 0. So once again, I bar into 1 minus 0 minus j into 1 minus 0 plus k into 1 minus 0. So you will get 1 into I bar, 1 into minus j bar is minus j bar, 1 into k bar plus k bar. Therefore, A bar cross B bar equal to I minus j plus k. Now the magnitude we can calculate. Magnitude of A bar cross B bar equal to square root of 1 square plus minus 1 whole square plus 1 square, which is equal to square root of 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to root 3. Similarly, you can calculate magnitude of A bar is equal to square root of 1 square plus 1 square. 1 plus 1, which is equal to root 2. Mod B bar equal to square root of 1 square plus 1 square. Square root of 1 plus 1, which is equal to root 2. Therefore, theta be the angle between A bar and B bar, then sin theta equal to mod A bar cross B bar by mod A bar into mod B bar. Mod A bar cross B bar value we got it here, root 3, divided by mod A bar into mod B bar, root 2 into root 2, which is equal to root 3 divided by 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So therefore, they are asking only sin theta, they are not asking to calculate theta value. Sin theta equal to root 3 by 2. That's our answer. We'll move to the next question. The next question, find the area of the parallelogram have A bar and B bar as adjacent sides. See here, I'll write the formula regarding this. This is the parallelogram. Adjacent sides means this is A bar vector, this is B bar vector is given. Two types of areas are there. According to this question, just the area of parallelogram, when adjacent sides are given, the area of parallelogram, when adjacent sides are A bar and B bar is mod A bar cross B bar. Suppose the same question, when adjacent sides is given, find the vector area of the parallelogram is given. That time you can give without mod. The vector area is there of parallelogram. That time only A bar cross B bar. This is the bracket value. Only area means the area of parallelogram is mod A bar cross B bar. So first given adjacent sides, given that adjacent sides of parallelogram are A bar equal to 2j minus k and B bar equal to minus I plus k. So we need to calculate A bar cross B bar. So first A bar cross B bar calculate I, J, K. In this I vector is not there, 0. J bar vector coefficient is 2 and K bar vector is minus 1. And B bar vector minus 1. There is no J bar and K bar is 1. So now we will expand this one, I bar into 2 minus 0. Minus j into 0 minus 1 plus k into 0 minus of minus 2, 0 plus 2. So A bar cross B bar equal to 2 into I to I, minus into minus plus j plus 2k. Therefore, the area of parallelogram whose adjacent sides are A bar and B bar is mod A bar cross B bar, that is equal to mod 2i plus j plus 2k. Magnitude of the vector, square root of 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. So which is equal to square root of 4 plus 1 plus 4, which is equal to root 9, that is equal to 3. We'll move to the next question now. The next question. Find the area of the parallelogram whose diagonals are 3i plus j minus 2k and I minus 3j plus 4k. See, listen dear students, whenever diagonals are given, different formula we have. And the area of the parallelogram, it is given that. See here, the figure, the parallelogram figure. In this, these are the diagonals. This diagonal I am giving as a name as D1 bar. This diagonal name as D2 bar. Whenever the diagonals are there, the area of parallelogram whose diagonals are D1 bar and D2 bar is half into D1 bar cross D2 bar. This is the formula we are going to apply now. See here, first given diagonal vectors, given diagonals or diagonal vectors. Diagonal vectors. So first one is D1 equal to D1 bar equal to 3i plus j minus 2k and D2 bar equal to I minus 3j plus 4k. After that we have to calculate D1 bar cross D2 bar. So D1 bar cross D2 bar, again cross multiplication of two vectors I, j, k. In the first vector components 3, 1 minus 2. In the second vector 1 minus 3, 4. So now expand I bar into 4 minus 6 minus j bar into 12 minus of minus 2, 12 plus 2 plus k bar into minus 9 minus 1. So which is equal to D1 bar cross D2 bar equal to minus 2i 14 into minus j, minus 14j, minus 9 minus 1, minus 10k. So now, minus you take common, 2i plus 14j plus 10k. So this is the value of D1 bar cross D2 bar. You can calculate the magnitude of D1 bar cross D2 bar, magnitude also I am calculating. Modulus of minus 2i plus 14j plus 10k. So which is equal to square root of, within modulus it will become plus 2 square plus 14 square plus 10 square. So which is equal to root of 4 plus 196 plus 100. So ultimately we got root 300. So root 300 can be written as root of 3 into 100. 100 you can take outside of the root. It will be as 10 root 3. Therefore, the area of parallelogram whose diagonals or D1 bar and D2 bar is half into mod D1 bar cross D2 bar, which is equal to half into 10 root 3. So 2 ones are 2 5s are. So 5 root 3. We'll move to the next question. The next question. Find the area of triangle having 3i plus 4j and minus 5i plus 7j as two its sides. Then find the area. Here, this is the triangle. In this triangle, two sides are given. Suppose this is A bar, this is B bar. The area of triangle whose sides are A bar and B bar is half into A bar cross B bar. That is the formula, simple formula. So now first given sides of a triangle, given sides of a triangle. Here they did not mention A bar and B bar. I am writing here. A bar equal to first vector 3i plus 4j and B bar equal to minus 5i plus 7j. Now cross multiplication of cross product of A bar and B bar. We know that I, j, k, I bar. So that means A bar components we have to write it. So 3, 4, anyway K bar is not there. Come to the second vector, components minus 5, 7, 0. So which is equal to I bar into 0 minus 0. So minus j bar into 0 minus 0. So plus k bar into 21 minus of minus 20. So therefore A bar cross B bar equal to this value 0, this value 0. Only 20 plus 21 is 41k. So 41k bar. The magnitude of A bar cross B bar equal to square root of 41 by 2. 41 square, which is equal to square root will be cancelled 41. Now you write the formula. The area of triangle formed by the sides A bar and B bar is half into A bar cross B bar, which is equal to half into this value is 41, therefore 41 by 2 units. We will move to the next question now. The next question. Find unit vector perpendicular to the plane determined by the vectors A bar equal to 4i plus 3j minus k and B bar equal to 2i minus 6j minus 3k. So here already we discussed this type of question. The unit vector perpendicular to the plane determined by the vectors A bar and B bar are the two vectors in the plane which is perpendicular to unit vector. This is unit vector along with perpendicular to both the vectors A bar and B bar. So the formula is plus or minus A bar cross B bar divided by mod A bar cross B bar. This type of problem already we discussed. This is the diagram. So first given vectors. A bar equal to 4i plus 3j minus k and B bar equal to 2i minus 6j minus 3k. Now calculate A bar cross B bar. So A bar cross B bar equal to I j k 4 3 minus 1 2 minus 6 minus 3. So now expanding this, I into minus 9 minus 6 minus j bar into minus 12 plus 2 plus k bar into minus 24 minus 6. So which is equal to A bar cross B bar equal to minus 15 into I minus 10 into minus plus 10j minus 30k. After that calculate magnitude of A bar cross B bar, which is equal to square root of minus 15 whole square plus 10 square plus minus 30 whole square, which is equal to square root of 15 square 225 plus 10 square 100 plus 30 square 900, which is equal to square root of 1225. So how to find out the square root of 1225? See here, we already know one of the best method to find out the square roots. First, tens place and here, sorry, thousand place and tens place you have to put as dot. After that 12. So 3 times 3 3s are 9. So subtract means you will get it as 3. After that here, for the value 3 you have to double it. So double means 3 plus 3 is 6. The remaining we can take down 3 2 5. Here 5 is there means compulsory it is the multiple of 5. So if you take here 5, here also write 5. So 65 into 5, 65 5s are 5 into 5 25. 5 6 are 30 plus 2 32. So it will be 0. So that means the square root of 1225 is 35. So which is equal to root 35 whole square. Root square cancel, which is equal to 35. This is the value of magnitude of A bar cross B bar. Now the unit vector perpendicular to plane determined by the vectors A bar and B bar is plus or minus A bar cross B bar divided by magnitude of A bar cross B bar, which is equal to plus or minus. What is A bar cross B bar? This vector we got it. Minus 15I plus 10J minus 30K divided by 35. So in the numerator you can take common 5 plus or minus 5 into minus 3I plus 2J minus 6K divided by 35 can be written as 5 into 7. So 5 get cancelled, which is equal to required plus or minus minus 3I plus 2J minus 6K divided by 7, which is the required vector. We will move to the next question and last question in this session. The next question. This question is important for 4 marks. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are A of 1 2 3, B of 2 3 1 and C of 3 1 2. When the vertices of a triangle is given, how to calculate the area in vectors? See here, ABC is a triangle. The area of triangle ABC is with vertices ABC is half into AB bar cross AC bar. AB bar cross. What is AB bar? OB bar minus OA. OB bar means B point minus A point. You will get one vector. That is called AB bar. AC bar. OC minus OA. You will get one vector. The vector triangle you can write as a vector form. See here, first given vertices of triangle ABC. So A of 1 2 3, B of 2 3 1 and C of 1 3 3 1 2. So according to this formula, AB bar we want. So AB bar equal to OB bar minus OA bar. That means here OB represents the position vector of the point B. OB bar means only second point 2, 3, 1. You can write like this, minus OA 1, 2, 3. So which is equal to 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 minus 3, minus 2. So this vector tribe you write as a vector form. So AB bar equal to I bar plus J bar minus 2K bar. This is AB bar vector. Similarly, AC bar vector we want. AC bar. OC minus OA. OC means what? 3, 1, 2. Minus A. A value is 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 1 minus 2, minus 1. 2 minus 3, minus 1. So, AC bar equal to 2 minus 1 minus 1. This we can write as a vector form. So, AC bar equal to 2I minus J minus K. Now, the cross product of these two vectors we need to calculate. Therefore, AB bar cross AC bar equal to mod I J K. AB bar vector tribe 1, 1 minus 2. 1, 1 minus 2. AC bar 2 minus 1 minus 1. So after expanding this, I into 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus into plus and minus only will come. Plus minus J bar into minus 1 plus 4. Next plus K bar into minus 1 minus 2. So which is equal to minus 3I. 3 minus 1 is 3. 3, 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 into minus 3. Minus 3 is 3. Minus 3K. So which is equal to AB bar cross AC bar. We need to calculate magnitude also. So magnitude of AB bar cross AC bar equal to minus 3 whole square plus minus 3 whole square plus minus 3 whole square, which is equal to root of 9 plus 9 plus 9, which is equal to root 27. We can write it as root of 3 into 9, which is equal to 3 root 3. Now, formula. The area of triangle ABC, whose vertices are ABC, is delta equal to, here also delta you can write better, half into mod AB bar cross AC bar. Half into, what is AB bar cross AC bar? Here we got it as 3 root 3. No? So 3 root 3, within modulus 3 root 3 is a positive. So 3 root 3 divided by 2. Square root is, this is the area of triangle formed by the given vertices. Thank you dear students for watching my channel. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can write to my chat box. I will respond. Thank you all.